Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Logitech Pro X. Before we jump into the topic or into the video, please be sure to be subscribed to the channel to see more videos like this and more amazing content. And thank you for 98 subscribers by the time of recording. So first I'm going to play the clip of me unboxing it. Then afterwards I'll give you a review and my overall thoughts of it. So I'll catch you all later after the unboxing. Okay, so here's the headphones. It has a nice, what do you call it? The plate for the logo. The wires make it look really nice, I'll say that. And does have Pro on the top band. It's nice leather, it's really well made, I'll say that. And yes, it's metal. Unfortunately, it doesn't, like go all the way, but obviously the wires does stop it, but these headphones are very amazing. I mean, the padding is very insane. I mean, just wearing this, I'm not sure if I'm talking loud or not, but these headphones are insane. Now, obviously, when you open the box, as you saw, there's like 3 cables that you get. One is for normal use for listening to music, watching YouTube videos, just connecting to your mobile phone. So yeah. So you can actually see here, there's 2 ports. This is for the aux and this is for the microphone. What's cool about the microphone is that there's like a slot. I think if I can get it, I'll show you. But yeah, there's a slot. Yeah, oh yeah. It does also come with a nice bag. Very soft. So yeah, I will show you some of the cables. So you get this, a splitter for obviously if you have a PC that has an aux cable, or I'm not sure which one's the aux. Okay, yeah, this is the aux audio and this is the microphone. That does help you to record separate audio things for the hearing and the mic. So that's one of the things. The second cable, well, you get this, which you use to activate the Dolby Atmos, which is insane. I mean, I played Fortnite with it, and when you jump off the bell bus, you have that nice bass that gives you goosebumps every single time you jump out. So you use this to activate the Dolby Atmos and also the Blue Voice, which is activated with the Logitech headphones. Now this, the main cable, as you can see, all the cables have markers on it, so this goes into that. And this is for obviously the headphones. And you can see it's for the mic as well. So this is more of the gaming headphones, where you have this also, so this, you can just pull it up and your mic is muted and put it down to unmute. And also you have the scroll wheel here, you have a nice little clip here with the Logitech logo, which is nice. I'm not going to share the other cable, the main audio cable, because that is basically plugged into my Mac, because I was watching a YouTube video. So I'm taking out the mic to show you guys how the mic works. So obviously it's like a normal mic, and you can see right here that there's a slot, so there's no confusion. So when you put it in, it slots in right there and can't wiggle at all. What's also nice is the foam it's like a little flat piece here. I'm trying to show it. So it does show you where it is. So when you have it on, it does basically everything you need. So it looks nice, feels good, it's not like squeezing your head, it's keeping it very comfortable. And I'm not going to show how the microphone performs, but basically with the microphone, with the Blue Voice, because you can have the Blue Voice on, which does cancel out a lot of your background audio, so you don't have like interference when you're recording a video. But yeah, that's, and if you don't want to use Blue Voice, then you don't need to, you can just leave it normal. But the microphone quality is very amazing. Also, you can do some settings with the microphone with the Blue Voice to change how it sounds, how the effects, but it's very insane how the headphones work. But these headphones, yes, they're a bit pricey, but they are worth it. They're a good build, they're strong, they should last you a while, but they're insane. And also, like I said, you have the Dolby Atmos, which does give it a nice audio feel. The bass is good, and you can also adjust that with the G Hub. What's also interesting is that with the G Hub, there are presets for like YouTubers, for example, TSM Myth, other streamers, I'm not sure what the other streamers are. So you can literally see what each YouTuber uses for their gaming performance and all that. And also you can customize it, customize your own audio, which I've done actually, and it sounds amazing. I managed to get it where it sounds good with the surround sound. But otherwise, that's all I have to say. These things are definitely worth to buy. Well, yeah, worth to buy. So if you are in the market for headphones, these are probably the best to go for because they are very high quality. Yes, they're pricey, but it's worth it. I'm telling you right now, it's very worth it. The microphone does sound basically the same or maybe even better than my kind of professional microphone, the Dixon D20. So yeah, so if you are in the market for headphones, I recommend these. They are very good, so go for it. Otherwise, that's all I have to really say for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe to see more videos like this. Comment down below what you want to see next. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video, and yeah, hope you have a great day. Bye.